Hello guys, Khalid David here, and today we've got the iPhone XR in black for an unboxing. We've got the 64GB version, and let's get into it. This is currently retailing for £749 in the UK. Let's slide it open. Okay, we got some packaging. Let's pluck it, file it to the side. We've got our iPhone. Let's put that to the side for now. And inside, we have our AirPods with lightning connector. Moving on to the power adapter. 5 watt standard. Unfortunately, we don't have any fast charging this year for new iPhones. Even though on the new iPad, it comes with an 18 watt USB-C fast charge adapter. Here we've got our last thing for lightning cable. Okay, let's put all this to the side. Let's see what we've got. Hello from Apple. Got a little manual. Just quick guides. Pretty much it. Plug it. File it to the side. Here we've got our SIM card tool. We have our warranty, our frequency bands, all the details about it with all the some of the warranty details here and the regulatory things. And lastly, we have our Apple Troll stickers. You can plug that, file it to the side. Okay. Now we have the brand new iPhone XR in that nice black color. As you see, we have glass on the back and the front. Looks a bit like the iPhone 10 and a bit like the iPhone 8, but we can see it has the flash underneath. Let's quickly unravel this. Wow. So that's actually a fairly big iPhone. It's a bit bigger than the iPhone 10, as it now has a 6.1 inch display versus 5.8, but it's not as big as the iPhone XS Max, which has a 6.5 inch display. I got black aluminium border around. iPhone 10, 10s and 10s Max have stainless steel, but iPhone 8, 8 Plus and XR have a nice aluminium. So now that was all set up. Let's quickly go through the settings. Let's quickly set this up. That's language. Okay, quick start. Okay, I'm going to quickly set this up and I'll get back to you guys in a minute. And here's all our still wallpapers on the iPhone XR. And here's all our dynamic wallpapers on the iPhone XR as well. We can't have one for still ones on. And all we have to do to get to the home screen is just quickly swipe up. And we're here. And we can just quickly open some apps, like let's open settings. Let's open calendar. Let's open calculator. Let's open Safari as well. So all we have to do to get quickly between these apps, we just swipe on the bottom of a gesture bar, just to swipe quickly between those apps. We can swipe up and short press, then clear them all just like that. That is our quick overview of the iPhone XR, and be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I hope you did. Be sure to check out for future review video coming up. We might do some gameplay or some other stuff. Just let me know in the comments down below. And peace guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe.